Good day, everyone, and welcome to our special segment dedicated to Martin Luther King Day, a day of reflection, unity, and action. I'm Joshua, and today we'll explore the enduring legacy of Dr. King, the impact of his work, and how we can continue his mission for equality and justice.
Martin Luther King Jr. was a pivotal figure in the civil rights movement of the 1950s and 60s. Through nonviolent resistance and inspiring leadership, he fought tirelessly against racial injustice, poverty, and inequality. His "I Have a Dream" speech, delivered during the 1963 March on Washington, continues to resonate as a call for freedom and equality for all.
Dr. King's birthday became a federal holiday in 1983, thanks to the efforts of countless advocates who recognize the importance of honoring his legacy. Today, Martin Luther King Day is not just a day off, it's a day on, encouraging all Americans to engage in acts of service that strengthen their communities.
While we've made significant progress since Dr. King's time, his work is far from over. Issues of racial inequality and social injustice persist, reminding us that his dream requires ongoing commitment. Today, we honor his vision by educating ourselves, speaking out against injustice, and building a world where every individual is treated with dignity and respect.
As we reflect on Dr. King's legacy, let's ask ourselves, how can we contribute to the dream? Whether it's through volunteering, mentoring, or simply spreading kindness, every action matters. Together, we can create a better future. Thank you for watching, and let's honor Martin Luther King Jr. by making a difference today and every day.
This has been a special presentation for Martin Luther King Day. Let's keep the dream alive.